Hi guys, welcome back to African Real Estate. This is Mongai Kihara. Today I'm going to give you a tour of low-cost housing properties in Kenya. This is Gradview Estate Kamulu, an estate that is located 1.2 kilometers from Kangundo Road. This estate has 49 units and only 15 units are remaining. The print area of each bungalow in this estate is 130 square meters and the cost is 4.75 million Kenya shillings. Right now, I'm going to show you one of the 15 remaining units and you'll tell me if it's worth your money. Let's do this. So this is one of the units. Let's have a look. This is the entrance to the unit. And just before we start the tour, each unit comes with a 2-car parking that I believe is enough for your 2 cars. Just next to the parking, you have your garden. This garden can be used to plant your vegetables or you can use it as a kids' play area. Let's get inside. Each unit comes with a foyer that has a double door. This is not the only double door that we have. The main entrance has a double door. Let's get inside. Wow, this is a very bright living room. Most of the light comes from this big window here. But also, during the night, you are getting a lot of light from this shade area here. You are also getting more light from the recessed lights around this gypsum ceiling. And you can't fail to appreciate the craftsmanship of this gypsum ceiling. Just have a look. It's very beautiful. In addition, you have these side lights to make sure that your living room is very well lit during the night. Let's have a look at the dining area. But before we do that, I can't fail to mention that we have an intercom signal in these bungalows. This is the dining area and it comes with a very beautiful chandelier. The dining area also comes with this sink that is very usable when you're having your dinner, and it also comes with a mirror. This dining room is big enough to fit a family of 6 to 10 people. On my left hand side, we have the kitchen of this bungalow. Let's have a look. This is the space for your fridge. Next to me here, you have granite countertops and you have your upper and lower cabinets. This space is for your cooking stove. Next to it, you have more storage, and also this kitchen comes with a double sink. And it's very usable because we have a tilting faucet. This door leads to the kitchen garden, the laundry area, and we also have a few things that I would like to show you. Let's do this. This is your laundry area and it comes with these 2 sockets for your laundry machine. This is for your hanging lines and on the other side you have your septic tank. Just follow me, I need to show you something else. Oh, it's a pet house and it's beautiful. Let's get back inside. In the kitchen, the dining room area, this is the center of the bungalow. On my right hand side, you have the 2 bedrooms and the common bathroom. On my left hand side, you have the primary bedroom. Let's start with this side. This is the common bathroom and it's big enough. It comes with a shower cubicle, a water closet, a towel holder, a mirror, and a sink. On the other side, we have a handheld and a shower. Let's have a look at the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. And from how I see it, this is for the kids. You have your window here, and on the opposite side, you have the closet. Let's have a look. It's a beautiful sliding closet that comes with 3 drawers on this side. And on the other side, you have spaces for you to put your other clothes. Just have a look. Beautiful. Let's head to the other bedroom. From the first bedroom to the second bedroom. Let's have a look. Wow, it's a nice one. And unlike the other bedroom, this one is en suite. You have your bathroom here, and next to me you have your closet. Let's have a look. This is the closet of this bedroom, and it's just similar to the one that we just saw. Next to me you have the bathroom of this bedroom. It's of a normal size, and you have similar amenities to the other bathrooms. Let's head to the master bedroom. Before you head to the master bedroom, you have this section here to hang your coats or your hats. From the other bedrooms to the primary bedroom, just right ahead. Let's have a look. This is the primary bedroom, and as you can see, it's way bigger than the other bedrooms. This primary bedroom comes with its closet here and its bathroom here. Let's start with the closet. In this closet, you have a set of drawers, another sectioned part, and a space to put your suits. On the other side, you have an extra space. Just next to me, you have the primary bathroom. This bathroom comes with a sink, a soap holder, a toothbrush holder, a smart mirror, a shaving rake for your partner, a towel holder, a beaded sprayer, a tissue holder, and a water closet. In the shower cubicle we have a soap holder, a toiletries holder, a handheld that comes with a golden tap, a towel holder, and a shower. That's all for the primary bathroom. And that's all about this bungalow. If you'd like to purchase it, it's only 4.75 million. I will leave everything else in the description below. Please like and share. Bye.